Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise. You can see a bag of Apes. Okay, these are your 1 1/4, wasting down to 1 inch in the middle and at the ends for your switch gear and your standard bar clamps. Come pre-wired, or sorry, not pre-wired, but they come complete with the wires. So when you want to connect your wires to here, pull it through, the wires will come out here. Okay, very cool idea. Saves you a lot of messing about trying to blow it through with a piece of string. Okay, this is why exactly the same. Hook your wires onto there, pull them down, and they'll come out of here. Okay. These particular bars are 17-inch bag of Apes, as you can see. Actually, I'd call them more of a 16, but officially these are classed as 17s. Okay. Your width is 15, and your total width is basically 3 foot. Okay, or just over 3 foot. In fact, 38 inch or 37.5, pretty serious bars. Okay, and as I say, these are classed as a 17, but yeah, actually it could be 17, but these particular bars, this is a kit here, cable kit that we do. Also comes complete with your throttle cable, your idle cable, your brake hose connects to this, connects to this, connects to this, connects to your brakes. Okay, this is your wiring extension kit. And also you've got a monster long clutch cable, because obviously with these particular bars you are going to need way longer cables than you've got standard. Bag of Apes obviously do come back, as you can see. That's the difference. You cannot use normal Apes on a bagger with a back wing. Okay, use them on a Road King but not on a back wing. If you're interested in any parts for your bike, give us a call, 01773 835 666, alternatively customcruisers.com. This particular cable kit is 18 to 20. It gives the guy 2 inches spare, which you can obviously lose with these 17s, but also available in black up to 20 inch tall, and we can make one-offs. So if you want something really crazy like 24s or something, we can do that as well. Give us a call, 01773 835 666, alternatively customcruisers.com. Thank you.